Software Spring. Presents. How to use XLOOKUP to compare two lists and extract data in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the XLOOKUP function to compare two lists and extract data from second list corresponding to the matching item in first list. Here is a quick intro to XLOOKUP. And use of XLOOKUP is to compare two lists and extract specific data. XLOOKUP can return a single value or multiple values from the row with the search key. Alright, let's look at the syntax of the XLOOKUP function formula. In this tutorial, I will use these four arguments. For more info on XLOOKUP, please refer to the tutorial, How to use XLOOKUP to extract multiple values in Google Sheets, whose link is given in the description. Moving forward, let's compare these two lists for common values and extract the corresponding data from this list. Okay, let me type the XLOOKUP function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For search key, click this cell, and type comma. For lookup range, select this range, and type comma. For result range, select this range, and type comma. Lastly, for missing value, type 3 dashes between double quotes. Key point: if search key is not found, XLOOKUP will return an error. To trap this error, specify a value for the missing value argument. Type the closing parenthesis, and press enter. Alright, this value is found in the second list, and the data has been extracted. Before I copy the formula down these cells, I will select each of these two ranges, and press F4 to make their addresses absolute. Copy the formula down these cells. There you go. Here is the extracted data from the second list. Summary: XLOOKUP assists to compare two lists and extract data pertaining to a common value. The syntax of XLOOKUP function formula is: That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.